Congratulations on completing the learning journey, strategic financing, and economic analysis for ecosystem restoration. Over the course of this journey, you have explored what it takes to design restoration strategies that are financially sound, socially inclusive, and grounded in strong economic evidence. You have examined key principles for modelizing finance, from public budgets and private investments to global vertical funds. You have learned how to embed gender equality and social inclusion, build strategic partnerships, and use practical tools to guide restoration guidance. You also gain a solid foundation in cost-benefit analysis, understanding how to evaluate restoration's long-term value, and explore how ecosystems accounting frameworks like SIA and finance planning approaches like BioFin help translate nature's contribution into actionable insights for policy and investment.